I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone is up to date and unlocked. Once done, open Settings and tap Display. This is where Edge Panels live. If you can't see Display, use Settings search and type Edge Panels. Make sure your device is charged and briefly restart if Settings behaves oddly, because a fresh start prevents permission hiccups and speeds the next steps. You now toggle Edge Panels on. The small handle should appear on the screen edge. Once visible, tap Edge Panels to open the panel library and swipe through Options, Apps, Tasks, Tools. If you want more, tap the store icon to download extra panels. Make sure to use Edit to reorder or remove panels so the handle opens exactly the tools you need, and position the handle on the left. You finish by customizing the handle size, position, and sensitivity so swipes register consistently. Then test. Swipe the handle inward to open your chosen panel and tap an app or shortcut to confirm functionality. If the panel doesn't appear, make sure Edge Panels are allowed in Display Settings, clear the Settings app cache, and restart the phone. If that fails, install pending system updates or reset display preferences to restore the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.